What's the meaning of astronomy? Astronomy. Astronomy.
Astronomy. Astronomy. Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial objects such as stars, planets, comets, galaxies, and more. It involves the observation, analysis, and explanation of phenomena taking place in the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere, including their physical and chemical properties, origins, and interactions. Through astronomy, we have gained a greater understanding of our place in the cosmos, as well as insights into important topics such as the origin of life and the nature of dark matter and energy. Overall, astronomy has broadened our knowledge and deepened our appreciation of the vastness and beauty of the universe.